So it has been a while since I've seen our society, Jamaica, being collectively enraged over anything in a long time. So this video has now surfaced, showing 4 misguided juveniles sharing among themselves turns to brandish what clearly looks like a brand new 9mm pistol. My initial reaction to this video was blinding anger and frustration. Where exactly did we go wrong as a society with these boys? Is it our music
No education
that glorifies this gangster bro god mentality and culture? Or is it the lack of parenting, blind leading the blind? Whatever it is, we need to figure it out right now. I watched this video like 10 times to observe them carefully. And it's sad to say, but they are so stereotypical. They fit the narrative so well.
One darkness, man. Mad in a desert.
And like I said, persons on social media are divided on the matter. You had one user saying, them same boy and mother are gonna come and cry to police so them kill them innocent Pitney and Black Road and all sort of things. Another user said, kill it from the root. What a waste. Another user in their defense, which was quite a few, said that they aren't waste, they are just misguided boys being influenced and they are not hardened criminals. And it goes on. Clearly, these boys are troubled. And they are in, at the moment, some serious trouble right now. Not only are the police looking for them, but it is more than likely that the owner of the gun is doing exactly that. And if it is in fact an illegal weapon, well, the police are the least of their problems. So I would implore anybody who means these boys well to turn them over to the police as soon as possible. And me no mean later or tomorrow, me mean right now.
We have received the video footage and we are very concerned to the extent that we have commenced investigation in the matter using available technology. However, we are also appealing to persons who may have information about these young men, their identity, as well as their location to make contact with us because we would love to have a discussion with them. We are encouraging persons to call our tip line at 876-591-5671, Crime Stop at 311, or Police Emergency at 119.
You could very well be saving your own lives or the lives of your loved one by giving information about the whereabouts of these youngsters. Now, it's been a while since I've asked this question, tubers, but what are your thoughts? Do you think these boys are hardened criminals? And can they even be saved? Are they above and beyond reproach? Would love to know your thoughts down in the comment section below, of course. Anyways, people, thanks again for watching. If you want to support the channel, consider becoming a Patreon. Follow me on Instagram and of course, like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, wow, good.